The year is 3000. A human steps into the light. And if you saw them, you might not call them human at all. Taller than anyone alive today. Skin a color that doesn't quite exist yet. Eyes too large. A body part machine. This isn't science fiction. It's where the science is quietly pointing. This is what humans could become. To see where we're going, start with a strange fact. For most of history, nature edited us. The strong survived, the rest did not. That force had a name, natural selection. But then something happened. We built medicine, warmth, endless food. We stopped dying from the things that used to shape us. Natural selection didn't stop. It just loosened its grip. So, if nature isn't steering anymore, who is? For the first time ever, the answer is us.
Start with the face. For thousands of years, people rarely left their valley. Faces clustered by place, by isolation. Now a person in one country marries someone from another. Their children carry both. Multiply that across 1,000 years. The sharp regional lines begin to blur. Scientists expect a more blended human, skin tones drifting toward a shared middle brown, features mixed from every corner of the map. Not one people replacing another, all of them folding into one. Now the body. We are already taller than our ancestors. Better food, better medicine, each generation stretching upward. But look at how we live now. Heads bent, eyes down, hours on a screen. Some scientists warn our bodies may adapt to it. Necks built for looking down, hands curved to a lifelong grip, a body slowly shaped by the tools it can't put down.
But all of that is slow. And humans are done waiting for slow. In our own lifetime, we found the code. DNA, the instructions that build a person. And a tool called CRISPR that can edit it. Cut out a disease before a child is even born. Choose height, choose eye color. Maybe one day, choose intelligence. By the year 3000, evolution may not be something that happens to us. It may be something we order. A designed human, taller, stronger, free of the illnesses that haunt us today. But here's the question that follows. If everyone can choose, will everyone choose the same? A planet edited toward one perfect version. Beautiful, and a little terrifying. Then comes the part that stops being biology at all. We already carry machines everywhere we go. Soon we may carry them inside. Chips that link the brain straight to the internet. Eyes that see in the dark. Ears that catch a whisper across a room. A heart that never wears out. Piece by piece, the line blurs. Where does the human end and the machine begin? By 3000, that line may be gone completely. And all of this is just the humans who stayed home. Because some of us are leaving. Picture the first children born on Mars. They never once feel Earth's pull. Mars holds them with barely a third of the force. So their bodies grow differently. Taller than any human in history. Spines straighter. Limbs longer. Thin bones that would snap under Earth's gravity. Their world is dim and red. So their eyes grow wide. Pupils swelling to drink the faint light. In just a few generations, scientists say, the changes would already show. Now push it to the year 3000. 1,000 years of Earth on one path. 1,000 years of Mars on another. The Martians grow tall, pale, and strange. Earth stays heavier, denser, familiar. Then one day a Martian visits Earth, and can barely stand under its weight. An Earthling visits Mars, and feels so light they could leap over rooftops. Two branches of one family, slowly forgetting how to live in each other's world. This is how one species quietly becomes two, which leaves the hardest question of all. Stand them side by side. The gene-edited Earthling, half machine, flawless, designed. The tall, pale Martian with oceans for eyes. And you, an ordinary human of today. Would they look back at you, the way we look at cave paintings? As something ancient, a rough first draft, the ancestor, not the equal. We spend so long asking where we came from, we rarely ask what we're turning into. And the truth science keeps pointing to is this. Humans were never a finished thing. We are still moving, still changing. Only now we hold the pen. The face of the year 3000 is being sketched right now, in our labs, in our machines, in the first rockets pointed at another world. We just won't live to see the final drawing. But it will have our eyes, and somewhere inside it,
it will still remember us. Maybe that's what being human always was, not staying the same, but never quite letting go of where we began.